Hi, I'm Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to set up automatic replies or vacation responders in Gmail. Now let's get started.
First, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. Then, in the top right area, click on the Gmail option to open your inbox. Once you're inside Gmail, look over to the top right corner and click on the settings icon. From the drop down, click on See All Settings. Now you land on the General tab. Scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find the section called Vacation Responder. This is where everything happens. Now, before we turn it on, a quick note: setting up an automatic reply is actually a really smart move. It lets people know you're away, avoids confusion, and honestly, it just keeps your communication smooth and professional. Alright, now let's turn it on. Select the option to enable the vacation responder. Next, choose your start date. Click on first day and pick the day your automatic reply should begin. You'll also see an option for last day. This part is optional, but I highly recommend turning it on because let's be honest, it's really easy to forget to turn this off later. And if you don't, people might keep getting auto replies even after you're back. So go ahead, check that option and select your end date. Now let's move on to the message. In the subject field, type something simple like out of office. Then in the message box below, write your automatic reply. Keep it clear and friendly, mention that you're away, when you'll be back, and maybe who to contact if something is urgent. Now, just below that, you'll see an option that says only send a response to people in my contacts. If you turn this on, only people in your contact list will receive your auto reply, but usually you'll want everyone to know you're away, especially clients or new contacts. So, in most cases, it's better to leave this unchecked. Once everything looks good, click on Save Changes, and that's it. That's how you set up a vacation responder in Gmail.